50th birthday, Mr. Robert Apostol. Have a lovely time, even if it's only simple. We might have a big celebration, but hopefully next time in God's will. Dad, thank you for being a good father, for Angelo and Julian, a very good husband to me, and hopefully you won't change, but I don't think you will, because it's been 20 years we've been married, and you've always been very good to us. You've stood up to be a good father, a good husband, always. So happy 50th birthday, and enjoy many more birthdays to celebrate. Good health always, and hopefully everything will be okay, Dad. We love you, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God ever bless you, may God ever bless you, may God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Dad. Bye-bye.
I've been to so many moments in my life where I can find anyone to turn to but you, only you, always you.
Happy birthday, Aldo! Kami nag-aampo sa imong maayong panawas o sa imong pamilya. Ug daghang pang birthday maabot sa imong kinabuhi. Kuya Dudo, ang gatas!
Brad, happy birthday!
And when all that's around me are falling, you will remain there standing just for me.
I'm wishing the happiest birthday to you today, my most special person in life. Happy birthday to my loving, understanding, kind, and very generous brother, Robert Uwano Apostol. We feel so lucky to have you. On this special day of you, may God's amazing love be with you and make you the recipient of the most beautiful things in life. You are truly blessed to see another wonderful year of your life. May God keep bestowing upon you His incomparable and amazing blessing all the day of your life. May God give you the desire of your hearts and all your plans succeed. May your protection continue to be your shield and His love your refuge. We pray that the Lord will pour His amazing grace and blessing throughout your life. May your life be filled with peace, love, hope, good health, and immeasurable happiness. Always remember, never lose your faith in God, because He will never leave you nor forsake you. He is your Father, and He loves and blesses you in amazing ways. The best things are yet to come. Happy birthday. Always remember that you are loved and cherished by those who matter most to you. You are the gift in our life. Maybe this is the right time for me to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I know they're happy watching you today. They love you, even their last breath. You're the last person they want to see. Thank you when we needed you the most. Don't worry about us. And also to Gigi, thank you for your kindness, understanding, and love. Manoy, happy 50th birthday. Be safe and we love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. And wish na po si Nay stay healthy and be strong always. We love you and we miss you always. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Noy. Hinaot panta nga dakan pang katuigan nga mabot sa imong kinabuhi. Ugiyahan ka sa Ginoo sa imong dalan nga pagalaktan, iiway kaniya sa disgrasya ug katalagman. hinaot pang tanoy nga tagaan kaniya kapiskay o kabaskog sa imong panglawas. Once again, happy birthday Noy.
Happy birthday Manoy. Salamat sa pagtagad kaayo. Ari kanako. Hinaot unta tagaan pagkag taas kinabuhi sa Ginoo.
Happy birthday Manoy. Salamat sa Ginoo gipaabot pagkaani nga edad ug tagaan pagka og daghan pang katuigan sa imong kinabuhi. Tagaan ka og maayong palawas nga unta ang Dios magabubo sa iyang grasya ug panalangin kanimo og uban sa imong pamilya ug gugma sa Dios. Maana kanimo og magamatuto kanimo sa pagtuo ni Kristo. Happy birthday Manoy. I love you.
Hello brother, happy birthday. Salamat kayo sa imong gihatag na mga tabang sa imong mga igsuon ug labaw na sa ako ug salamat kayo sa imong pagkamaayo ug anang kang barog na nahimong ginikanan sa amo ug salamat kayo sa imong pagkamaayo. Happy birthday again.
To the man in my life, happy birthday Noy. Unta good health mo always. Ping mo kanunay tira. Salamat sa tanan. I love you and I miss you all.
Happy birthday Manoy. Thank you so much for the love and support na imong gihatag para sa atong pamilya. Salamat kayo sa imong kanunay nga sakripisyo and I wish you a good health and more years to come, and especially to la Ate Gigi, Kuya Julian, and Kuya Angelo. Thank you so much sa tanan-tanan. Kung wala ka, wala sad ko kung ahan ako karon sa imong mga sakripisyo. And ayun, nakalabi ka stress kay basin maupaw ka og samot. And for I wish that we have more years together no na mag-uban, because 20 years of age gap murag wala kayo ko memories together with you, pero hopefully unsa pohon magsige na tag-uban. And I miss you Manoy so much and I love you so much, and hopefully magkita-kita na ta diri sa itong balay.
All the love that I have comes from you. Always you.
Happy 50th birthday, Dad. Hope you have a great day and hope you get everything you wish for because you deserve it. Until next year, love you lots.
Love you, Dad.